Constitution of India. Fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights of Indian Constitution along with the constitutional articles related to them are mentioned below. Number 1. Right to equality. Number 2. Right to freedom. Number 3. Right against exploitation. Number 4. Right to freedom of religion. Number 5. Cultural and educational rights. And number 6. Right to constitutional remedies. The very first, right to equality, mentioned in articles from 14 to 18. Right to equality guarantees equal rights for everyone, irrespective of religion, gender, caste, race, or place of birth. It ensures equal employment opportunities in the government and ensures against discrimination by the state in matters of employment on the basis of caste, religion. This right also includes the abolition of titles as well as untouchability. Number 2. Right to freedom. Articles from 19 to 22. Freedom is one of the most important ideals cherished by any democratic society. The Indian Constitution guarantees the freedom to citizens. The freedom right includes many rights such as freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of assembly without arms, freedom of association, freedom to practice any profession, freedom to reside in any part of the country. Some of these rights are subject to certain conditions of state security, public morality, and decency, and friendly relations with foreign countries. This means that the state has the right to impose reasonable restrictions on them. Right against exploitation. This right implies the prohibition of traffic in human beings, beggar, and other forms of forced labor. It also implies the prohibition of children in factories. The Constitution prohibits the employment of children under 14 years in hazardous conditions. Number 4. Right to freedom of religion. This indicates the secular nature of Indian polity. There is equal respect given to all religions. There is freedom of conscience, profession, practice, and propagation of religion. The state has no official religion. Every person has the right to freely practice his or her faith, establish and maintain religion and charitable institutions. Number 5. Cultural and educational rights. These rights protect the rights of religious, cultural, and linguistic minorities by facilitating them to preserve their heritage and culture. Educational rights are for ensuring education for everyone without any discrimination. Number 6. Right to constitutional remedies. The Constitution guarantees remedies if citizens' fundamental rights are violated. The government cannot infringe upon or curb anyone's rights. When these rights are violated, the aggrieved party can approach the courts. Citizens can even go directly to the Supreme Court, which can issue writs for enforcing fundamental rights.